Hey everybody, hope you guys are having an awesome Thursday. I know it's super snowy outside, but hopefully it's still a good day. It's at least Little Friday. It's March 26th, and I wanted to spice things up a little bit. I miss seeing you guys in class, and so I wanted to have a little bit more interaction with you. So what we're going to do for our random bell work question is I'm going to pose it to you in a video each day, and then I ask that you guys follow this yellow instructions here that says to email me your response to that question at my email. That helps me feel like I'm connected to you guys. Hopefully it helps you feel the same way towards me. Because honestly, yeah, I've said it already, I miss seeing everybody. So your random bell work question is, if you could pick to have a random animal power, what would you choose? And that might sound really strange, and it probably is, but I feel like animals have superpowers. There's all these superhero movies, but if you just look at animals, there's animals that have super speed, flight, super strength, camouflage. I mean, you could even go maybe a little bit more bizarre and choose to have like a scorpion tail or something, which I personally think would be pretty cool. But anyway, that's your random question. If you could pick a random animal power to have, what would you choose? Okay, so once you do that, once you answer it, make sure to email me, follow along with the slides for the day. That should help you get started with the lesson for today. I've been trying to cut things down a little bit so I'm not overwhelming you guys. So I hope that it's manageable. If it still feels overwhelming, please let me know, because I definitely want to work with y'all as we're doing this home-based learning. So have a good one, keep in touch, and let's have an awesome day.